Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on some screen protectors and a review and also install screen protectors on the iPhone 11 Pro Max and a clear case on a 11 Pro Max. I just got them today from Amazon and here they are. They're both Spigen brand. Here is the iPhone Pro Max liquid crystal case. It's clear with sprinkles in it, and the glass easy fit screen protector from also Spigen. It's a 2-pack box, and it comes with a tray to guide you how to put the screen on. All right. And of course it's gonna go on this iPhone 11 Pro Max gold color. All right, let's get started. So first we're gonna start with this Spigen clear screen protector. It's relatively easy. According to the description, it comes with a tray where you could help you guide it through. Here it is. Comes with a tray, instructions, and I believe there's 2 packs in here. Oh, it comes with 2 trays. 2 trays. Lens and screen cleaning wipe. So there's one tray for each installation, I believe. Instructions. And this little packet that comes with all your I guess wipes, cleaning wipes. Squeegee, I guess, to squeegee out the bubbles. These here are the dust remover stickers. I guess once you first wipe it down with the cleaning wipes, you use the cloth here, the little piece of cloth, I guess, comes with it to dry it off. Let me unfold it for you guys. So I believe it's cleaning wipes first, then you dry it off with the cloth, then you go with the dust remover. It's just like a piece of sticker that you just put all over it, and then you apply the tray over, pull remove the film. So this would go on top of your phone like this. First, before you lay it on there, you pull this film off. This will stick to the front of your phone, and then you pull this off, and then it'll apply the adhesive. Then you pull this off, and then with this you go at the end to squeeze out the air bubbles, I guess. So we'll put those. We'll start prepping the phone. Here's your instructions. It says please cleaning wipes. Then 2, you peel the film off. 3, you put the case on there. 4, you press down on it and activate the adhesive. 5, you peel the whole sticker off. 6, you lift the tray. 7, you pull the protective film off, and then you squeegee. Sounds pretty easy, but it's missing all the drying off the screen and using the dust sticker, which I guess you kind of gotta know that by now. All right, let's get started. Here's a cleaning wipe. It's just almost just like a little wipe that you get like a burger joint or Buffalo Wild Wings or something. Clean your hands off. Make sure you go all the way through, nice and thorough. Try not to miss anything. All right. Now you get your cloth and you dry off the surface. Make sure there's no smudges on it. I'm trying to grab the edges off it, but I'm probably going to go over it again where I'm holding it down just because I might leave my fingerprints on there. Alright. And last but not least, you go with the dust remover to try to get all the dust off. Just gonna go over twice just to make sure I didn't miss anything. Alright, looks pretty clean now. So then, now you're gonna go with the actual case here. And here it says you remove film first. So pull this part off. And just simply lay this tray, turn it around, and right over the phone. Just like that. Now what you do is you press and slide from the top all the way down to the bottom and then to the sides. Try it one more time. Once you do that, you wait 30 seconds and then you, which is one layer to other. So you got to give it 30 seconds to just sit there and wait. I'm just going to keep on going, sliding it just to make sure it sticks good. Just for the 30 seconds to pass up. I believe 30 seconds are up now, and now you pull this bottom part here. It says remove from here, part 4. So the first part was pulling the back piece off, which is number 1. Part 2 is to start from up here. Part 3 is to slide down the middle. And then part 4 is to grab this tab down here. This is part 4. Pull that up and peel. And you remove from there. I had to use the squeegee to try to pull up the tab on there. Alright. I left a little bit of adhesive there, but we'll see what happens next. Couple of bubbles there. And then part 5, according to instructions, we peel that off, and then 6 is pulling the tray up. So I don't know if you can see that real good. Okay, so part 1 was wiping it down, 2 peeling the film off, 3 putting the tray over. Make sure on the tray it has I'll use this other one. On the tray it's gonna say up on the top iPhone 6.5, and then spigen on the bottom, so you know it's gonna be upright. This would be the upright. And you'll see the cutout here from like the what do you call it, the camera lens and all that, so you know that's the upright. And then I guess last part is just to pull this up. Okay, once you pull that up, pull the tray out, you wanna now what it's claiming after you pull the tray up, it left some kind of adhesive here, but I guess that will rub off. Once you pull the tray up, you want to get you want to pull this bottom piece of that has the top container screen on it, and then finally go with the wedgie. So we'll try that. As you can see, there's a bubble there. Now all you gotta do is just squeegee.